We are almost done. We are in the end game of this animation. First, we're going to click Command S, and let's save this project out as a 2D. I'm going to save it out in my own name, 2D Animation Tutorial 2, because I've filmed this about 3 times now, but this is the first one that doesn't count. So, after we save our work, because we've been doing a lot, and After Effects does do an autosave, if you guys haven't already seen it already, which is super nice, which I think should be added into other softwares, but that's just my opinion. So now we need to work on the text. After we've clicked the index bars here, and now we need text here. And we're also going to animate that little effect where it goes letter by letter, which is surprisingly super easy. If we go up to the text tool and we click to type, not drag and type, do not do it, and we type something like Mac Lab Media, we have our character tool already open, which isn't that awesome. Let's double click it and let's turn it to black. And, oh wait, sorry. And we'll click this, click the select the text layer, sorry, and make it black, just so you can actually see it. We'll zoom in here and we'll drag, and we'll use the selection tool to kind of drag and make it the correct size, and use scale to scale it up or down if you need, depending on when your text and how your text kind of spawned in. That looks about good, and now we need that animation to start, the animation to begin, right? So we're gonna drag right around here when they click, and we can delay it like a little bit to make it look like they clicked and then started typing, because no one clicks and then automatically starts. So we'll just kind of drag it a little farther down here, and we'll have our little animation here. In the effects and presets, you used to have to animate each individual letter, which was a pain in the butt, but luckily After Effects has this awesome effect called typewriter, where you literally drag and drop it on your effect and it will make the typewriting effect for you. I was unaware of this, and I had to learn how to animate each individual letter, but no longer. We have an effect literally just called typewriter that does it for you. Which I'm super glad, because if I had to do that and teach you guys that, that would have been a whole process in itself. Command S just for fun. So now let's play through our animation, and clicks, types of Mac Lab Media, all is fun and dandy, which is cool, and the animation's cool, and don't get me wrong, and I've taught you a lot, and you learned how to trim over here, how to import and composite things, but I think we can do a little better by having a little camera zoom while we type. In order to do that, we're gonna have to turn these all to 3D objects. See this box here? We're gonna click and drag all the way down, and we'd also have to unlock the layer here to turn all these 3D objects. Now 3D objects turns everything a little crazy. If I click rotate now, you'll see that I only had one type of rotation here. Now I have all the axes. The best explanation would probably be the Google logo. If I click rotation, as you can see, it flips and it kind of spins and it does this. We won't be touching any of that. The only thing we'll be touching is a new camera. And I think I want to get to that in the next video.